Today I am reviewing the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex Car Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Finding a handheld vacuum cleaner that perfectly balances portability with meaningful suction power is a surprisingly difficult task. Most compact vacuums on the market feel like glorified dusters that simply scatter dirt around, while the more powerful options are often too bulky and heavy to comfortably maneuver inside the tight confines of a vehicle or around a crowded office desk. The Fanttik Slim V8 Apex Car Vacuum addresses this exact dilemma by packing an impressive 19,000 pascals of suction power into an incredibly lightweight, ultra-slim chassis. After testing this mini cordless vacuum thoroughly across multiple real-world environments, including deep vehicle interior detailing, dusty mechanical keyboards, and stubborn pet hair embedded in upholstery, it stands out as an exceptional, highly versatile tool for quick, targeted cleanups. The standout engineering achievement of this vacuum is its compact powertrain. Driven by a high-speed brushless motor spinning at 80,000 revolutions per minute, it generates a maximum suction force of 45 air watts. For a device that weighs only 1.1 pounds, which is roughly equivalent to a standard bottle of water, this level of pull is remarkable. When switched into its maximum performance mode, the vacuum effortlessly draws up coarse sand, heavy dirt crumbs, small pebbles, and deeply embedded debris from vehicle carpets and floor mats. It is important to emphasize that while this unit is obviously not designed to replace a full-sized household vacuum for deep cleaning entire rooms, its specialized performance for localized detailing tasks is spectacular. Battery management and operational runtime are highly practical for a device of this form factor. The vacuum features two distinct suction settings tailored to different tasks. In Eco mode, which provides ample suction for lighter duties like removing dust from dashboards, clearing keyboard keys, or tidying up an office desk, the battery lasts for an impressive 40 minutes. For heavy-duty tasks requiring full power, switching to maximum mode delivers the maximum 19,000 pascals of suction for up to 13 continuous minutes. While 13 minutes might sound short on paper, it is more than enough time to complete a thorough detailing pass of all the seats, cup holders, and side pockets in a standard sedan. Charging the unit is incredibly convenient thanks to the integration of a universal Type-C fast charging port. If you use a compatible adapter supplying 15 watts of power or higher, the battery can be completely replenished from empty to full in just 2.5 hours. This universal connection means you can easily charge the vacuum directly from a standard vehicle port, a portable power bank, or your laptop charger while working at your desk. What elevates this product from a simple vacuum to a true 4-in-1 utility tool is its comprehensive accessory ecosystem. Fanttik includes 10 highly practical attachments in the box that allow the device to vacuum, blow, inflate, and vacuum seal. By attaching the appropriate nozzles to the exhaust end of the unit, it transforms into a high-velocity air blower. This function is incredibly useful for blasting dust out from deep inside intricate electronic components, sensitive computer motherboards, or tight air vents where traditional suction cannot reach. The kit also includes an array of specialized brushes, including a multi-surface brush and a dedicated pet hair brush that excels at grabbing stubborn fur-off fabric surfaces and car seats. For tight spaces, the combination of the long crevice nozzle and the flexible extension hose lets you reach deep down between car seats, under pedals, and behind heavy office furniture with absolute ease. Maintenance and everyday usability have clearly been thought through from a user perspective. The dustbin features a highly convenient one-touch emptying mechanism. With a single press of a button, the bottom lid automatically pops open to dump the captured debris directly into the trash, ensuring your hands never have to make contact with the dirt. To prevent accidental openings while the vacuum is rattling around in a glove box or a storage bag, Fanttik integrated a secure ring latch system that locks the button down completely. On the inside, the filtration system relies on a high-efficiency particulate air filter capable of capturing 95.99% of fine dust and small particles. This multi-layered filtration ensures that the microscopic dust you suck up remains securely trapped inside the container rather than being exhausted back out into the air you breathe. Ultimately, the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex succeeds because it respects the constraints of its size while maximizing its raw utility. It is an incredibly comfortable tool to handle with one hand. It stores away invisibly inside a car door pocket or office drawer, and it delivers a punchy burst of power exactly when and where you need it. For anyone looking for a reliable, highly portable, and multifunctional cleaning companion to maintain their vehicle, workspace, or small electronic devices, this premium mini vacuum delivers an outstanding user experience that justifies its place in your detailing toolkit.